How to speak English fluently. Comment parler anglais couramment. Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Parle Anglais. Today, we're going to talk about how to speak English fluently. Don't worry if you forget words. That's normal. I'll show you simple and practical tips to speak naturally and confidently. Français. Aujourd'hui, on va voir comment parler anglais couramment avec des conseils simples et efficaces. 1. Practice every day. Fluency comes from using English daily, not from grammar rules. Speak to yourself. Describe your actions, even with mistakes. Confidence comes from repetition, not perfection. Français. Parle un peu chaque jour, même avec des erreurs. La confiance vient de la répétition, pas de la perfection. 2. Think in English. Stop translating in your head. Start with small sentences like, it's hot today or I'm tired. Your brain will get used to English faster. Français. Pense directement en anglais pour parler plus vite et naturellement. 3. Listen and repeat. Listen to podcasts, movies, or YouTube videos in English. Repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing. It helps you sound like native speakers. Français. Écoute et répète les phrases que tu entends. C'est la meilleure méthode pour améliorer ta prononciation. 4. Learn vocabulary in context. Don't memorize too many words. Learn a few and use them in real sentences. For example, I want to improve my English. Français. Apprends quelques mots et utilise-les dans des phrases concrètes. Conclusion. Fluency comes from practice. Thinking in English, listening, and using new words. Speak a little every day and stay consistent. Like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Français. La clé, c'est de pratiquer. Pensez en anglais et écoutez souvent. Parle un peu chaque jour et reste régulier.